VentureKids. Lovely to see you all back here again today. I have just got a few messages for you today. And the first one is from the lovely Penelope. Hi Penelope, we miss you so much. Penelope says she'd like to say hi to Zion, Sorka, Aoife and Amelia. So I hope they all got their lovely messages. Next up we have the lovely Edward and Nora. Hi guys, I hope you're doing really well. I'm missing you all so much. Edward wants to say hello to Joel and Nora would like to say hello to her best friends Natalia and Eliza. So I'm sure you all can't wait to see each other again. Finally for today we have got the lovely brothers Ollie and Eddie. Hi boys, how are you doing? They would both like to say hello to Daniel and to Elliot. So I hope you guys are all doing really well. Please can you all keep on sending in your shout outs, your highs, your messages to me, either through your mums and dads, through Facebook, through text messages, whatever which way you can do, for what you'd like to see here also. Because at the end of the day, VentureKids was your play space. Hopefully it will be again really soon. But we also want the YouTube channel to be yours as well. So whatever it is you'd like to see on there, just let us know. Speaking of which, let's go see what's happening over there today. See you soon.
Hi guys and welcome to today's activity. So today we're going to make bird feeders for all the little birds out there. As you can see, I've already got one in the background. Dead easy. So for this activity you'll need your juice carton, some string, some skewers, a marker, some bird seed and some glue. Everything else you should have in that drawer that you always go to. First of all, get a empty juice carton, empty milk carton and give it a wee paint. Bound to be a wee tub of paint lying about, paintbrush, 2 seconds gets that done. Then with an adult, get them to use a craft knife and just very carefully cut a wee hole in the front of it. So this is where the bird seed's going to go, and the birds are going to help themselves. Very careful with these knives. Always make sure your mummy or daddy use these knives. So you're cutting out a rectangle, quite a good size. Now, what you do with this bit is you then cut it into a beak shape and paint it yellow, the one I prepared earlier. Okay, so not much of a bird feeder, is it? Let's make some adjustments. In the shape of 2 wings, down there, pop those out. Look, all of a sudden he's got arms. Now, as I said earlier, we've made our little beak, so time to glue it on. We drop of glue, if you haven't used it all for slime already. His beak, perfect. Now, maybe Daddy had a beer, or possibly Mummy had a cider at the weekend, so you might have some bottle tops. Get a wee black marker and draw in a couple of eyes. Ones I prepared earlier again. Again, with a wee bit of glue. Stick the eyes on. You've all got glue at home. Everybody's got glue. If you haven't got glue, tell your mum and dad off. There you go. Now, where's he going to sit to feed? Little hole puncher in the front there, and in the front of the back, and then on the side, and on the side. Get a couple of little skewers, pop those through, just like that, and another one front, trying not to pierce yourself at all times. See? A bit of bird seed. Fill it up. There you go. And again, using a wee pokey thing. Poke a hole there, and a hole there. Get a wee bit of twine, string. Tie that up. Dead easy. There you go. Instant bird feeder. See you later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.